Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, I'm Mindful Monzi. Today, I have one of my favorite videos of all time. I'm gonna share 5 affirmations with you all that are guaranteed to help you repair your broken relationships. There will be a link in the description, which will take you directly to my 60-second shorts that will allow you to listen to the affirmations repeatedly, if you like, with the soothing background meditation music. Number 1, I am committed to healing our relationship and moving forward in love. This affirmation will help you stay focused on your shared goal of repairing your relationship rather than getting down in blame or negativity. Number 2, I am willing to listen to my partner's perspective and their needs. This affirmation can help you cultivate a spirit of empathy and openness, which is very crucial for effective communication and conflict resolution. Number 3, I am letting go of grudges and resentments from the past. So this affirmation will help you release any lingering hurt or anger that could be keeping you stuck in negative patterns or behaviors. Number 4, I am taking responsibility for my own actions and behaviors in our relationship. So with this affirmation, it will help you to avoid blaming your partner for everything that's gone wrong. And instead, you'll focus on making positive changes in yourself. And last but not least, number 5, I am grateful for the opportunity to grow and learn from our challenges. So with the use of this affirmation, you will start to view your relationship difficulties as opportunities for both yourself and other people's development, instead of coping with uncertainty. All right, since that will conclude, thank you so much for watching this video. I am Mindful Monzi. Now, please remember, repetition and consistency are the key to using these 5 powerful daily affirmations. I am hoping that now you will feel inspired to work towards repairing and strengthening your relationship. Also, please remember that repairing a broken relationship will take time, patience, and most of all, commitment. But with the right tools and your mindset, it is definitely possible. I'm definitely a living witness to this. So I encourage you to practice these affirmations daily, and please share them with your partner as well. You guys could even, say these repeatedly together at a certain time, maybe before bed or in the morning time before you set off for your day. All right. If you enjoyed this video, and I'm hoping that you did, please do me a big favor and like and subscribe to my channel for more content on mindfulness, relationships, and personal growth. Oh, and please don't be shy to comment with any content suggestions or videos of positive affirmations you would like to see, because my channel only welcomes positivity, inspiration, and motivational ideas. All right, well, that's it for now, but I do look forward to seeing all of the beautiful suggestions and feedback from you all. But until next time, bye.